Beloved soul, today we enter the hologram, not as something outside of you, but as the truth of what you are. You are not a body trying to become whole. You are the wholeness projected into form. Holographic healing is the remembrance that every fragment contains the entire source. And when we shift one point of light, the whole pattern reorganizes. Today, we recalibrate the pattern. Take a deep breath and let the light within you awaken. Poem activation. The whole within the fragment. You thought you were scattered. Pieces of heartbreak, pieces of memory, pieces of identity. But a hologram never loses the whole. Even shattered glass still reflects the entire sky. You are not fragmented. You are refracted. Every cell holds the complete design. Every tear contains the ocean. Every breath remembers infinity. The distortion was never damage. It was light bending. And light can bend back into coherence. You are the pattern. You are the projector. You are the source image, learning how to see itself again. Invocation. Activating the holographic blueprint. I call forward the original holographic template of my being, the unbroken pattern, the divine architecture within every cell. I invite coherence into every distortion, light into every shadow, awareness into every forgotten place. Where I have felt fragmented, restore unity. Where I have felt separate, restore remembrance. I consent to recalibration. I consent to alignment. I consent to embodying my multidimensional wholeness now. Guided meditation. Close your eyes. Imagine your body not as solid, but as millions of luminous points of light. Each point connected. Each point intelligent. Each point containing the whole design. Now, imagine above you a radiant sphere of expanded consciousness. This is your beyond density. This is you beyond density. You beyond limitation. You beyond story. See a beam of crystalline light descending from that expanded self into the crown of your head. It moves slowly down your spine. As it moves, every point of light within your body begins to brighten. If you notice areas that feel dim, heavy, or distorted, pause there. Do not force change. Simply allow the higher frequency light to recalibrate that area. See it like a lens coming into focus. Blurry, becoming clear. Static, becoming signal. Distortion, becoming coherence. Whisper inwardly, I restore the original pattern. Now, imagine your heart as a radiant crystalline core. Inside it is a miniature holographic universe, turning gently, perfectly balanced. With every breath, that inner universe expands. It fills your chest, your body, the room. You are no longer healing a wound. You are reorganizing light. Feel your entire being synchronize. Past versions of you soften. Future versions of you align. All timelines gently harmonize in this present moment. You are coherent now. You are unified now. You are whole now. Rest here for several breaths. Affirmations. Repeat these silently or let the words wash over you. I am a holographic expression of divine intelligence. Every cell holds my original blueprint. Distortion dissolves in awareness. I restore coherence within my body and energy. I am multidimensional and embodied. I am unified across timelines. I am whole now. Closing transmission. Beloved, you were never broken, only refracted. Holographic healing is not about becoming someone new. It is about remembering that the whole has always lived within every part of you. Drink water, ground your body, journal any insights that surfaced, and trust when one point of light recalibrates, the entire pattern responds. You are the pattern. You are the light. And you are remembering